Good morning, students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Science Learners. This video is for class 7, chapter respiration. First question we have: sometimes when we do heavy exercise, anaerobic respiration takes place in our muscle cells. What is produced during this process? First option, alcohol and lactic acid. Second option, alcohol and carbon dioxide. Third option, lactic acid and carbon dioxide. Fourth option, lactic acid only. To answer, we have the lactic acid only, which accumulate in our muscle cells and muscle cramps takes place. That is because of that only we get the pain and all. Next question. Yeast is used in wines and beer industry because it respire. First option, aerobically producing oxygen. Second option, aerobically producing alcohol. Third option, anaerobically producing alcohol. Fourth option, anaerobically producing carbon dioxide. So correct answer we have anaerobically producing alcohol. Yeast always respire anaerobically, and when it respire it produces alcohol, carbon dioxide and water. Next question. During the process of exhalation, the ribs moves. First option, down and inwards. Second option, up and inwards. C option, down and outwards. D option, up and outwards. So correct answer we have down and inwards. Next question. Breathing is process that provides oxygen to the body, breaks down food to release energy, helps the body to get rid of carbon dioxide, produces water in the cells. Which of the following gives the correct combination of functions of breathing? The first option we have first and second option second and third, C option first and third, D option second and fourth. So if we see all these, then we get then option C, like provide oxygen to the body and helps the body to get rid of carbon dioxide. So these first and third comes in C option. So C will be the correct answer. Next question. Fish breathe with the help of gills, which are richly with blood vessels. The gills help the fish to first option, take in oxygen from air, take in oxygen dissolved in water, absorb nutrients present in water, release waste substances in water. So we have the correct answer, take in oxygen dissolved in water. Next question. Earthworms and frogs breathe through their skin, because of which the skin of both the organism is moist and rough, dry and rough, dry and slimy, moist and slimy. The correct answer we have D option, moist and slimy. Next question we have, pick the odd one out from each of the group given below on the basis of respiration or respiratory organs and give reasons for your answer. First we have cockroach, grasshopper, snail, ant. So out of these, the snail is the odd one out because it does not breathe by trachea, whereas the cockroach, grasshopper and ant, they all are coming in the category of insects. So they breathe by trachea, but only the snail, which is not breathed by trachea. Second, we have lizard, cow, earthworm, snake. So lizard, cow and snake, they breathe through lungs, but earthworm breathe through its skin. So earthworm will go odd one out. Third one we have crocodile, whale, dolphin, fish. Crocodile, whale and dolphin, they have lungs to breathe, but fish breathe through gills. Next we have snake, tadpole, crow, goat. So a snake, crow and goat breathe through lungs, and tadpole breathe by their gills. So as they told already that we have to choose odd one out by their respiratory organ, so we have to choose only respiratory organ, nothing else. Next question, which gas present in air is essential for aerobic respiration and what is the role of oxygen during respiration? So atmospheric oxygen is essential for this aerobic respiration, and it is very important because oxygen breaks down that food and release energy. तो आप here the food which we eat that burns in the presence of oxygen and release energy, carbon dioxide and water along with that. Next question. On a very cold morning, Bhujo and Paheli were talking with each other as they walked down to their school. They observed that the air coming out of their mouth looked like smoke. They were amused that how it happened helped them find the answer. So when the climate is cold warm, the moist air exhaled by us condenses into the mist when it comes in contact with the cold air of the atmosphere. This looks like smoke coming out of our mouth. Means whenever in the winter season when we speak something, so we can see that a smoke type air is coming out from the mouth. So that is actually because of the atmospheric temperature is less than our temperature. So when the air we blows out, it becomes mist or looks like a smoke. Next question. Whenever we feel drowsy or sleepy, we start yawning. Does yawning help us in any way? So whenever we are studying or we are not interested in the chapter, we are yawning. So what is the reason behind that? When we feel sleepy, rate of respiration slows down. Because of this, the lungs will not get enough oxygen and we yawn. And the yawning bring extra oxygen to our lungs and help us to being awake. So now I think you understood that time why we are yawning. Sometimes we are not interested and that time our lungs have less oxygen, or yawning make us little active to get extra oxygen for our lungs to be active. Next question. Insects and leaves of plant have pores through which they exchange gases with the atmosphere. Can you write 2 points of difference between these pores with respect to their position, number and extension into the body? The first point, spiracles are present on the sides of insect's body while stomata are present on the lower surface of the leaves. Spiracles are fewer in number as compared to stomata. मीन्स स्पायरेकल्स है जो वो कम होते हैं. स्पायरेकल्स लीड टू एन एक्सटेंसिव नेटवर्क ऑफ ट्रैकियल सिस्टम विच इज एब्सेंट इन द लीव्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Paheli participated in 400-meter race competition held at her school and won the race. When she came home, she had mixed feelings of joy and pain as she had cramps in her leg muscles. After a massage, she was relieved of the pain. Answer the following questions related to this situation. What can be the possible reasons for the pain in her legs? Why did she feel comfortable after a massage? तो जैसे कि हमने पहले किया है ये कि जब हम कोई भी हैवी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, अब जैसे ये रनिंग है, हम पहले कभी दौड़ती नहीं है बट स्टिल सडनली हमने दौड़ना स्टार्ट किया, तो नेक्स्ट डे उस टाइम क्या होता है, हमारी मसल्स को ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. ज़्यादा एनर्जी के लिए रेस्पिरेशन फास्ट प्रोसेस होती है. इट मीन्स रेस्पिरेशन फास्ट प्रोसेस के लिए हमें ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन चाहिए बट ऑक्सीजन इतनी हमें मिलती नहीं है. तो इन दैट केस जो हमारे मसल सेल्स होते हैं वो एनारोबिकली रिस्पायर करते हैं. मीन्स इनसफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मिलती है उनको. तो इन दैट वन दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी अलॉन्ग विद द लैक्टिक एसिड. वो लैक्टिक एसिड जो प्रोड्यूस होता है रेस्पिरेशन की प्रोसेस से, वो हमारे मसल सेल्स में बैठ जाता है. मीन्स उसमें एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है और वो लैक्टिक एसिड के कारण हमारी मसल्स में पेन होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट दे सेड. सो पेन इन हर लेग्स माइट बी बिकॉज ऑफ द अकोमुलेशन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड इन हर मसल्स ड्यूरिंग हैवी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. Muscles respire anaerobically and producing lactic acid. Or how the massage gave her relief? So because it starts improving the circulation of blood, leading to increase the supply of oxygen. जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा है कि ऑक्सीजन है वो सारी बॉडी में ब्लड के थ्रू जाती है. तो जैसे ही मसाज हुआ सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड अच्छे से हो जाएगा. उससे अगर ब्लड अच्छे से मूव कर रहा है हमारी बॉडी में तो उसके साथ ऑक्सीजन भी जा रही है विच विल कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड. वो लैक्टिक एसिड को तोड़ देगी, ब्रेक कर देगी किसमें, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर में. और हमारी जो मसल्स वगैरह हैं जिनमें पेन हो रहा है हमें आराम मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑब्जर्व फिगर केयरफुली एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. तो 3 they have given us jars in which potted plant and one is just simply leaves they have kept. So question is in which jar will the amount of carbon dioxide will be highest and why? Second is in which jar will the amount of carbon dioxide will be the lowest and why? So in C jar carbon dioxide will be highest because mice in the jar, okay, not leaves, they are mice have shown. तो mices release carbon dioxide and inhaling oxygen. तो it means C में कोई प्लांट नहीं है एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए. तो C में सिर्फ mices हैं जो कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज किए जा रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वाई इन थर्ड जार more carbon dioxide will be there. And in the lowest one carbon dioxide it will be present in jar A because no mices are there. Whole carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves of the plant. So that is why in lowest is in A and highest in the C. Next again the figure they have given and answer the following questions. Water and another test tube they have shown lime water turns milky. So one is in the second one figure they are blowing. So let's see what is the question. Which process is being tested in the activity? What is the result of this activity? Give reason. So this activity shows the exhalation process during respiration. Lime water turns milky in test tube B जैसे जो हमने देखी थी. और test tube A remains unchanged because carbon dioxide present in the exhaled air mixes with that lime water and as it mixed it changes the color or convert into milky. Next question we have a food stall owner was preparing dough for making bhaturas. He added a pinch of yeast and sugar to the dough and left it in a warm place. After few hours the dough had risen. There was a sour smell too. Why did the dough rise? Why did the dough smell sour? Why was sugar added to the dough? What would happen if the dough was kept in the refrigerator soon after it was prepared? So why did the dough rise? It happens because carbon dioxide produced during the respiration of yeast. हमने किया था. It produces alcohol, carbon dioxide anaerobically, a less amount of oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and तो वो दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड उस yeast में डो में गई और उसको फ्लफी बना दिया. Why did the dough smell sour? जब एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होती है तो इट प्रोड्यूसेस अल्कोहल. जब जीस्ट एनारोबिकली रिस्पायर करेगा तो अल्कोहल, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर प्रोड्यूस होता है. तो उस अल्कोहल के कारण इसकी स्मेल सोर इन टेस्ट आती है. एंड वाई वॉज शुगर एडेड टू डो? इट एक्ट एज अ फूड फॉर यीस्ट. यीस्ट फूड, जो शुगर है वो यीस्ट के लिए एक तरह का फूड है. तो इसी के साथ वो ऑक्सीजन को एनारोबिकली रिस्पायर करेगा एंड टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी. और जो अल्कोहल और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है वो शुगर के साथ मिलकर ही करेगा, इसलिए इसको शुगर को ऐड किया गया. What would happen if the dough was kept in refrigerator? Then yeast will not respire and multiply and dough will not rise. Then it will not produce a sour smell. तो जो हमारे भटूरे होंगे वो हमें टेस्टी नहीं लगेंगे. तो जब भी आप कभी भटूरा खाओगे तो आप थिंक करना वाई इट स्मेल्स लाइक दैट, लिटिल सोर इन टेस्टी एंड थोड़े से सॉफ्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव observe the give figure and answer the following. A and B indicates process of inhalation and the process of exhalation. So we have to label the arrows and indicate the direction of movement of air, movement of diaphragm and movement of ribs. Let's see the diagram first. So this is ribs move out, ribs moves down. Or in second figure ribs move back and ribs move diaphragm moves back. ये एरोज हमने आंसर के लिए लगाए हैं एज ए सेड मूवमेंट ऑफ रिब्स एंड डायफ्राम एंड मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर. तो सी इन फर्स्ट केस इट इज कमिंग इन साइड, रिब्स मूव्स आउटवर्ड एंड डायफ्राम्स मूव डाउन. तो इट दिस हैपन्स इन केस ऑफ इनहेलेशन. और इन सेकेंड फिगर एयर इज फोर्स्ड आउट. रिब्स मूव्स बैक एंड डायफ्राम मूव्स बैक। अगर आपको ऐसे ना पता चले तो आप उस टाइम इनहेल और एक्सेल करके देखो कौन सा पार्ट आपका ऊपर और नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है। और ये कॉमन है, जैसे दे सेड दैट एयर फोर्स्ड आउट, ऑब्वियसली हम बाहर की तरफ एरो शो करेंगे, तो इस तरह से। तो सेकंड फिगर है आपकी एक्सेलेशन की। लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव मैच द नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड विद देयर ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन्स। बटरफ्लाई, अर्थवर्म, स्पैरो, फिश। सो बटरफ्लाई एक इंसेक्ट है, स्पाइरेकल्स, अर्थवर्म स्किन के थ्रू ब्रीदिंग, स्पैरो लंग्स, बर्ड्स हैं, फिश गिल्स के साथ। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, आंसर समझ में आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए, और अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।